Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheena, but I go by SheenBoo. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. We finally made the switch from T-Mobile to Verizon. Just very quickly, I do like that my calls aren't dropping like they were with T-Mobile. The reception is better. I can get reception almost anywhere. And that's really all I wanted. I was going to keep my original iPhone, which is the iPhone 7 Plus, but Verizon didn't take that as a phone. So I was going to port my number and my phone over, but for some reason they did not want to buy it. So me and Daryl were like, if we're going to get new phones, we might as well get the newest phones. And he has the X and I have the XS Max. And I'm glad that I got the SX Max because it's basically the same size as my iPhone 7 Plus, and that's the only thing that I don't like about the X. So if the smaller size does not bother you, then go ahead and get the X. So this is my old iPhone. It's the iPhone 7 Plus, and then this is the XS Max. They're basically the same size. I know the 7 Plus kind of looks a little bigger, but that's because it has the outer box on it. And I normally get an outer box, but I wasn't there, and Daryl had talked me into getting the inspect case with the tempered glass. So that's one of the key differences that I have for the protection case. And then if you notice, there's no like the home screen that controls everything and gets you back to your place. The XS Max doesn't have that. It just has a line that you swipe up down here and you use Face ID to unlock it, and then you swipe up. So I just did that. And another thing that I noticed, I believe it's the phone and the tempered glass, is that it's much more smoother to touch. The touch sensitivity is so much better. It just glides. It's very smooth, so I like the feel of that. Now as for the box, this is what the box looks like. It comes with the standard stuff that you always get in the iPhone box. You have your information and your Apple stickers, your headphones, your charger. And one thing that is missing though, that normally comes with the newer iPhones, is the earpiece jack, the headphone jack, because you know, the newer phones doesn't come with that. This one still doesn't, but they didn't include that in this for some reason. I guess you have to buy it separately, obviously. So, good thing is I still have mine for my 7 Plus. Now, before I get into the actual phone a little bit more, let me show you some of the goodies I got. So, Verizon had a good deal, y'all. If you buy one iPhone, you get the second one for $700 off. And I got in my goodie bag is a pop socket in rose gold. I got a Mophie charger, so the wireless charge. You just set your phone up on top of it and it charges it, as so in the picture back here. Here's what the actual Mophie looks like. It has a plug, so that's how it charges, and you put it on there while your phone is charging as well. Verizon gave you the wall lightning connect, so this is the supercharged charger. See, it's much thicker than the regular iPhone charger, and that's where you know right off the back, if you see a thicker charger, that means it's going to be supercharged. Plus it says it on the box. Screen wiper, of course. And then this is the case that my phone protector came in. And then I got the iPhone in gold. They don't call it rose gold anymore, or it doesn't really come in rose gold, but it still looks rose gold to me.
Here's what I found on the web for the really come in rosy gold. What is the looks rosy?
Okay, I didn't say anything to Siri. She just came on by herself. But this is what the back of the phone looks like. Another thing is that the cameras are now vertical as opposed to horizontal. So that's one of the key things. This phone is so much thicker than this phone. So that's another thing you notice. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that back in there. The first day I got my phone, I dropped this thing face down and it didn't crack. So tempered glass is working, and my job has cement floors and I dropped it on the cement. So this is why I never leave the cell phone store without a case. If it's a phone I want to get, I'll go buy a case first and come back. But I do not leave the store without a case, especially if you're buying a really expensive phone. I don't know why people walk around with these cracked screens, y'all. So I've only had the phone for, I don't even think it's been a week yet. But one of the little features that I like is this little talking emoji thing. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? So I'm so in love with the little, okay, we heard enough. With the little monkey down there. I really like that feature. It still comes with the standard stuff that comes with the iPhone, like, you know, iMovie and stuff. You know, that's important to us YouTubers. But yeah, I'm really, really in love with my phone. I honestly don't know what else to say about it. But if you guys want to see like a what's on my iPhone SX Max video, then comment in the comment section down below. If you want to see an unboxing of Daryl's iPhone X before he takes it back, put that down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with SheenBoo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, SheenBoo, you already know. So follow me and keep on watching.